This year marks the 50th anniversary of the victory in the 1971 war and is being celebrated across the country as Swarnim Vijay Varsh. The Indian Navy's killer squadron that destroyed the Karachi harbour during the 1971 war will be awarded the prestigious President's Standard today. The Indian Navy's killer squadron that carried out the Operation Trident gave a decisive blow to the Pakistani Navy and will be marking 50 years of its success.
5th of December 1971, the Indian Navy launched an attack against Pakistan and they attacked Karachi port. They destroyed multiple destroyers and ammunition-carrying ship which was going from West Pakistan to East Pakistan. After that, in a span of next 4 days, the Indian Navy again launched an operation on Karachi port when the Pakistani Navy ship was so scared that the Pakistani Navy had asked all their ships and destroyers to come back to their port. But the Indian Navy and their courage made sure that they entered the Karachi port inside and they destroyed another destroyer and then launched an offensive operation against the fuel tanks which was there on the port. And it has been said that it was on fire for multiple days after that. To commemorate this, to remember this, the Indian Navy celebrates this day as Navy Day. And on that, the President of India is going to give President's Color on 8th of December to the Killer Squadron, which got the name of Killer after the bravest attack on Karachi port in 1971.
President Ramnath Kovind will award the President's Standard to the 22nd Missile Vessel Squadron, also known as the Killer Squadron, at a ceremonial parade to be held at Naval Dockyard in Mumbai.
In 1971 war, when Pakistan bombarded our air bases, thereafter the approval was given by the Prime Minister for us to go on a full-scale war with Pakistan. Thereafter, Admiral Nanda planned the strategy to carry out attacks utilizing the missile boats of the OSA class, which were then 25 missile boat squadron at that time. The three missile boats of the 25 missile vessel squadron at that time carried out a stealthy attack on Pakistan. Nirghat drew the first blood, carrying out attack on PNS Khyber with 2 missiles and sinking the ship immediately. Thereafter, it carried out attack on a merchant vessel, and subsequently the other two ships proceeded closer to Karachi and carried out attack on the mine refineries at Karachi and set the refinery ablaze. Thereafter, they returned back, and on the return they got the message Angar, 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 stating that this was a successful attack on Karachi, and they returned back to India without a scratch.
The President's Standard is the highest honour bestowed by the Supreme Commander to a military unit in recognition of the service rendered to the nation.
Okay, every ship in the Navy has its specific role. Like when we look at the bigger ships, what you are referring to as the fleet ships, the fleet operates as a compact unit and it's got a very specified task which can undertake a diverse array of operations, which includes anti-submarine, anti-surface, anti-air, electronic warfare. So the capability is diverse. But nothing can take away the power pack punch of these ships. Although these ships are, you can say, about 1/4 the size of a fleet ship. If you see the power punch capability, I've got a medium-range artillery gun which can fire same as what a fleet ship can do. I've got missiles which have got the same power punch as the fleet ship can do. We got close-range anti-air guns which have a similar capability of taking down the incoming missiles. And the most important thing is we are the first strike element of the Indian Navy. So the moment the balloon goes up, we are the people who are going to be in the front, and we are the people who will go launch a coordinated attack on any of the enemy who is coming closer to our waters, or we will take the fight into their waters and deliver the first punch.
The squadron has been in the thick of action even in modern times.
And being a part of the Killer Squadron, which is the front line of Indian Navy missile boats, sir.
As you have already brought out that the Killer Squadron is basically the 22nd Missile Vessel Squadron, which incorporates the 2 different kinds of vessels, the Prabal class and the Veer class. 6 ships of the Veer class currently in commission. As you have already brought out, that this name Killers has been a legacy which has been handed over to the 22nd Missile Squadron from the 25th Missile Squadron, which carried out the deadly attack on Karachi on the fateful day of 4th of December, in which we decimated Pakistan, destroyed their warships, merchant vessels carrying cargo to Karachi, and bombarded Karachi harbour, leading to the fire continuing for days together. The sea, which was under Op Trident. Thereafter, on 8th and 9th of December, once again we carried out Op Python, in which one of our missile boats, INS Vinash, carried out an attack on Karachi and destroyed the refinery over there, and the flames were there to see for days to come.
India salutes the brave warriors who vanquished the enemy forces to liberate Bangladesh from the clutches of Pakistan. Bureau Report, Republic TV.